Hi, I'm Mark Wetherill, Head of Culinary for QuornPro UK. Today we're going to be creating some recipes using the QuornPro piece, another really versatile product that can be baked, pan-fried, can be put straight into a sauce and finished in the oven, as we are going to do today with our take on a no chicken pot pie. A little bit of oil in the pan. We've got our chopped veggies, we've got carrots, onions and celery. Going to give that a little bit, soften that up a little bit in the pan. Get some nice fresh thyme in there. I'm going to put this in the oven for 2 or 3 minutes just to bake it and get a little bit of a crust on it. Touch of stock in there just to soften that veg up a little bit. Going to go with our gravy. Little touch of cream. Our peas. And then finally, our Quorn pieces. Give that a good stir around. Coat the pieces. And then turn it off. So our filling's chilled. Into our oven-proof dish. Don't be shy with this. On with our pastry lid. Tuck it down the sides. Doesn't need to be too neat. Touch of egg wash, give it a nice golden colour. And then finally, just a little hole in the middle to let the steam out so the pastry crisps up. Just going to warm our broccoli through, a little bit of butter, touch of oil. This has been pre-blanched, won't take long, 2 or 3 minutes. There we go.